friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Zita, and on my channel I do DIYs and makeovers on a budget. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at OakWell Home. So let's get started on today's DIYs and see what I've created. Today, friends, I'm going to be creating this beautiful winter wall art piece for you of some beautiful winter trees. And I've already created a sign with this in the fall with some pumpkins and stuff like that. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll post it in my description box. There's what it looks like. It's beautiful. Here's my inspiration for today. It's a Kirkland piece. Now I don't want it with those exact same colors. I'm going to be using some cream here that I'm starting out with, and some golds, some greens, and then some white for the snow scene. And it's going to be, the backdrop is going to be the black, so it's going to be like a night, snowy, starry night with a beautiful tree scene. So I'm going to be putting some music on for you guys and let you guys watch this, and I'll jump in from time to time to explain what I'm doing. So like I said, I'm starting out here with the cream, and I'm just giving the trees some shape. And guys, I am not a painter, okay? This is my first attempt at doing a very large wall art piece like this, painting it myself without any instruction. I did look at some YouTube videos to get some idea on how to paint trees, but like I said, I'm not a painter, so forgive me if this is not your taste, but I am actually very proud of it once it's all finished. Now, as I was painting it, I was saying to myself, oh my goodness, this is the ugliest piece ever. But as you know, time went on and the piece was finished, I was very proud of it. Like I said, because I don't consider myself a painter, but I do want to learn how to paint. So once you see the finished product, let me know what you think of this painting, if it's something you would put on your wall or if it's something you would throw in the garbage. And if there's any painters out there, leave me some tips on what I could do better. I'm definitely no expert here on teaching this, but for any beginners out there watching this, maybe this will give you some inspiration and motivation to try painting yourself as well. If I can do it, anyone can do it, believe me. So I hope you enjoy this, and like I said, I'll pop in every now and again to explain what I'm doing, and yeah, enjoy it. And please don't forget to give it a like and give it a comment, whether you know it's some feedback on what I could do better or whatever you want to say about it. So I'll leave it to you to see how I created this painting. Enjoy, guys. What I'm doing here, guys, is I've taken some water in a spray mist bottle and I'm spreading out some of that gold with a chip brush just to layer it some more and give it more texture. So I'm doing that all along the gold and just blending in the gold and the white. So here, guys, is where I thought my piece was not up to par in the painting department. I thought it looked too much, like it needed some space in there to make it look more natural. So this is where I took the black acrylic paint and started erasing some of my painting, and I think it looks a lot better with, you know, more black space in there, more black sky. It makes it look more natural. Like I think the painting was just looking like one big blob of paint before I did this. But you let me know what you think in the comments. Would you have left it without putting the black space in there, or would you have put more of the black space in there, which is, you know, the sky that we're seeing through the trees here. And once I finish putting all the black space in there, I do give that black space a little bit more splatter paint, and then this piece is finished. So once you see the finished piece, guys, please leave me a comment in the comments section and let me know what you think of my first attempt uninstructed painting my own large wall art piece. Be kind, but constructive criticism is welcome. I don't get upset by, comments that maybe are not so nice or maybe I don't really like, but it does not upset me. I go to sleep fine at night. So let me know in the comments what you think, and give it a like as well. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it gives some of you beginner painters out there some inspiration to give your own painting a try. If we don't try, we don't learn, right? So like I said, I'm trying to learn how to paint, so I am willing to attempt even an ugly painting to get better. So thanks again for sharing some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, and that way YouTube will notify you when I post a new video. And I have some awesome projects coming up for this coming year. Bye, guys.